Yo, what's going on, YouTube? So, this video pretty much gonna be like a little little vlog, day in the life type of vibe, but I'm gonna also incorporate like some live trading in it. But pretty much, I just wanted to show y'all what my day consists of. I am a full-time student in college as well, so not only do I trade, your boy is actually smart too. So, uh, we're gonna get right into the video. I'm about to hop on the train to class. Once I get there, then we'll just continue with the video. So I'll see y'all. All right, so I just got off the train on my way to class. I got 2 classes. So once I get out of class, I'm gonna hit the gym for a little bit. And then after that, we're gonna head back to the crib, hop on the chart, see what's going on, see if there's any news that came out today. And then, yeah, man, we're just gonna go from there. All right, so I'll see y'all later. So look, check. I just got to school, man. I still got like 30 minutes before I actually start. So I'm finna hit the gym for a little bit. I'm gonna get a little footage in, and then we're gonna go from there. All right, so I just left the gym. I ain't gonna lie, I couldn't get everything. Like, I couldn't record everything because I was on the time crunch. Now I gotta head to my first class or whatever. But yeah, I was able to put some slight work in, nothing too crazy. But I'm finna go to these 2 classes. After I get these 2 classes out the way, we gonna shoot back to the crib, and then we finna see what's going on in the markets, man. Just got to break a structure through this fair value gap, and then we got to retest, and then we was able to come down again. Still not, we didn't sweep out these previous lows right here. So I want to see price push back up into this level, this fair value gap level, and then I will potentially, like, if we don't get a break to the upside, then I, hop in for sales. But if I don't get what I'm looking for, then most likely I won't hop in for sales, and I'll just wait for another opportunity to come. But that's my bias right now. As you guys can see, this is a fair value gap that I have drawn right here. And then another thing that I like to use is my fib retracement tool. Okay, gotta change that up. All right, cool. So yeah, our fair value gap is also within the golden ratio zone of the fib. So definitely gonna look for price to push back up into this area, and then we could find short opportunities. And then that's pretty much it for my bias on UJ. If we look at the dollar and what it's doing right now, we can see that it's currently, trending down. So yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at with UJ. Like I said, we're looking for selling opportunities because of everything that's going on with the dollar right now. And if you see prices actually trying to push lower past this level of support. So once we get a actual like strong close below this level, then I'll know like, okay, price is definitely gonna continue to push down, or whatever the case may be. And then I'm also looking at gold. This is my baby right here. Yep, looking at gold. Right now, I'm looking for long positions on gold. Definitely looking for long positions on gold. Reason being, same concept. We have a fair value gap right here that I drew out. As you guys can see, once price came through this fair value gap and retested, it went back down, back into these previous lows right here. But we also got a strong push through this fair value gap, and then we had another retest right here, and then price continued to push up, but it didn't sweep out the previous highs right here. It actually made equal highs, so we got equal highs right here, and then we got another retest of the fair value gap. So what I'm looking for price to do is it's clearly respecting this fair value gap, so I want to see price come up into these equal highs right here that we got right here. And once we get a close below this level, then we can hop in for like some long positions. But until then, I'm just really just waiting. You know, this is a waiting game. You don't want to just rush none. And then we'll hop in like right here. Probably ride it up to like right there. Yep. So that's pretty much it, man. That's pretty much my bias on these two pairs. Everything is looking like how it should look. We'll probably start seeing like some type of movement. Maybe you know, during the London session and the New York Open tomorrow. But if not, definitely next week we'll see something play out how it needs to. This is a beautiful trade setup though. If you guys see, we have an inverse head and shoulders pattern right here, break of structure, retest, and then we have a push to the upside. And then after this break of structure, like I said, we have a fair value gap right here that price came into with a actual bearish engulfing candle. And it actually, you know, closed above our fair value gap. So we're just waiting for it to break these equal highs right here, and once it do, then we'll hop in for buys. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Those are my positions. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, send it to another friend. If you want access to my Discord, hit the link in the description. It's completely free. I got a beginner's course teaching you the basics on how you can get into this type of stuff.